Kublai pi baru kini gilong ki kubor bam takasngi. Ka kinhun ginong yalam jeng kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya State Unit kablai yalam de spokesperson kaseng bat MLA ka penthot umkra constituency H Kharkrang hagasngi thok ding. Kalalit banya kendu yaulat ke jilla Meghalaya u CH Vijaya Shankar Haraj Bawan Shillong Banra ikjing sngokia halor ka jingjia kablami ha ka election jangka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Kubor hadin ka jingyalang ukhar karang ulaong baka kinhun ka BJP kalaya syong jingyakran bad ulat ka jila palat shikanta. Bad kalaya thirbnya halor ki benta bapher ki biade baki election GHADC. Kamtam halor ka jingya ka jia ka bami ha ka jinglong biang lane jongka tu kat neki kertong banya kun ye ka election. Ulaong baka seng BJP kalapan pau ye ka jing sngokia halor ki neki jingjia ki badangsyan. Bad kala batairu bagane kalong ka jingjia ka basngosi kumta ka seng kala kentu badan kam bandon ka jingpet bad jingya kun mador ban pintikna baka syongsuk syongsan kanne ha ka than Garo Hills.
An unfortunate incident has happened, and the way that the notification was issued and subsequently which did not stand the legal scrutiny. So, but the thing is, district council has been there for the last 5 years. These things could have been taken up earlier, but taken up just before the elections. So that raises a lot of questions. We had discussed with him the reasons behind this incident that has happened, and we had also requested the governor to convene a special session of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, whereby he is authorized by the Constitution, so that the issue of amending the rules can be taken up, that anyone who wants to contest as an MDC from Garo Hills should have a scheduled tribe certificate. And we requested the Honorable Governor also to take up this issue at the earliest, so that normalcy and peace again prevails in Garo Hills. No, frankly, government, any view, he's taken a neutral view of all the incidents, but he will seek, he will consult the legal experts now, then subsequently that he will take up his decisions. So governor has not given any commitment. He will take up, so that whatever action he does has to stand scrutiny from the legal point of view.